just run over my toe. Okay, so I've been meaning to review these headphones for about a month and a half now. They arrived at my door and I was so excited to try them out that I immediately unboxed them and started using them straight away. And I have to say, first impressions have been really good. They're the Boya BY-HP2. Boya, if there's one piece of advice I can give you, please sort out your naming system. It gets really confusing. It's impossible for me to show you just how good these headphones are. I can talk about them until the cows come home. I can tell you my first impressions and how they've been for me, but at the end of the day, you are just gonna have to try them for yourself. So I've been looking for some monitoring headphones for quite a while now. This is the second set of monitoring headphones that I've had, and full disclosure, Boya did send these to me, but I'm gonna give you my honest opinion as I always do. And I've used them on a couple of different jobs now, mainly where we had a shotgun microphone mounted above the talent and I was monitoring the audio to make sure it was nice and clear. In the past, I've just used a set of generic in-ear headphones and I've never ever been satisfied with them. When I get the audio home, I always hear an extra hiss that I couldn't hear on the headphones, or I couldn't get the audio signal loud enough to those headphones. I haven't had that problem with these. Let me take you through the specs. This is the first time I'm looking at this box and I always love the English translations on the back of them. High fidelity 40mm drivers enable best reproduced sound, soft protein skin ear cushions for long time wearing comfort, high density ABS material ensures more durability, and ergonomics over-ear design provides exceptional sound isolation even in a noisy environment. And that last point, the sound isolation, is really true. If I put these headphones on, I now can't hear my own voice. I mean, I can just about hear it, but they really do dampen down the sound of my own voice. So you get a really clear audio signal when you're monitoring your talent in a film environment. Let's take a closer look at the headphones themselves. So they're mainly plastic construction, I think. You do get really nice, soft, padded ear cups. You get a left and a right indicator on each ear cup, and you get this leather or pleather headband that goes over the top. I was using these for a shoot last week, and we were filming talking heads for about 2 hours, and I had these on the entire time, and I was confident that my audio sounded great and they weren't causing me any discomfort. So there's nothing more you can really ask for from a pair of quality monitoring headphones. The lead that comes with it is a split 3.5mm jack, so you put one in the left channel, one in the right channel. Not really sure why they've done this. I'm sure there's some audiophile explanation, but I don't know what it is. And then that converts down to a single 3.5mm jack, and they do give you a 1/4" jack converter with it, not that I use it. And they also send you this rather jazzy bag to keep them in. I'm not a fan of the bag, I'm not gonna lie. So what are my overall thoughts? Comfort is excellent. I could wear them all day long. I really like the sound quality that's coming out of them and the fact that I can get them loud enough to hear all the imperfections in my sound. And I think if you're looking to buy your first pair of monitoring headphones, then look no further than the Boya BY-HP2. Just before you click off of this video and onto another review of those headphones, I want to tell you about my new Facebook group. It's the Chris Watkins Media Facebook group, and I'm going to be posting all of my YouTube videos in there before they go live on YouTube. So if you want a sneak peek of what's coming up, that's the place to be. Also, if you've got a question for me, you can post it in the group, and either myself or someone else will get back to you. I really want to bring a sense of community to this channel, so if you guys want to know how to do something, ask me on the Facebook group and I will make a video about it. Or if you've got a question about one of my videos, either myself or someone else will be able to help you solve your problem. There's a link to the Facebook group in the video description, so head on down and join the group. There's only one member at the moment, and that's me. So if you want to be the second, then come and join me. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and maybe go and check out one of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.